Deannie Jones. If this is your first time here, hey, welcome! This is my channel. What do I like to do here? Make pretty crap. I don't know. That's basically what I do, and we try to do it on a budget. So this is Thrift Flip Thursday. That's right. And it's hosted by Shayna Robinson Repurposing and her co-host, I forgot your name. Oh. Anyway, today is Thrift Flip Thursday. Stupid phone. What you need, babe? And this is part of Thrift Flip Thursday. Wow, I said it right. And this is being hosted by Robinson. Oh my gosh, I can't say it right. Hi guys, it's me, Deannie Jones. You don't know me yet? Well, you will get to know me. I'm a little wacky, I'm a little zany, but I'm always a lot of fun. And I love joining challenges, especially with very talented and creative crafters out there. And this is Thrift Flip Thursday. I said that and I didn't mess it up, so yay me. Anyway, this is being hosted by Shayna Robinson Repurposing and Savvy Crafts with Savannah. They are really talented. Please check out their channels right here in the description below. Now, what is this challenge about? Am I gonna try to say it again? Oh, yes, I will. Thrift Flip Thursday Challenge. Wow, I feel like Sylvester. Anyway, what this is all about is finding something that you thrift and flip for less than $10. And I found this thing. It was less than $1. I think it was $1 or less. It really was. So I'm gonna work on this because although I love the shape, I really don't like the print. Although I love printed stuff, but I don't like this print. So what do we do as crafters? We thrift it and we flip it and we make it look even better. So stick around as I get started on this lovely little treasure. So to get started on this lovely little number, I'm going to have to repaint this. Now what I do is, well, I'm very, very frugal. And I buy these samples, these color samples at the hardware store at Home Depot for only 50 cents. This is eggshell, so it's kind of like a kind of chalky feel to it. So it's kind of like chalk paint, but it's not. It's a lot less expensive. So that is a good option for all you guys out there who need a cheaper option to chalk paint. Not that chalk paint is bad, it's just a little pricey sometimes. So I'm just gonna slather and wait. That's basically all we're gonna do. So now my platter is completely dry. Got a little bit of a sheen to it, but it's perfect. This part doesn't matter too much because I found a calendar from July 2020 and I just loved this. I thought it was perfect for Easter. So I'm going to cut around here as best as I can. Trying to capture I don't know if the dragonfly will fit in there, but I'll try. And I'm going to decoupage that onto the platter. So now I'm going to add a little bit of color. Now, I am not an artist in any way, shape, or form. I've come up with my own way of making flowers happen. But today I'm going to be using paints from Folk Art and also Apple Barrel. They're both from the Plaid family of products, so they mix in very well as the Mod Podge that I used earlier, also from Plaid. So I'm going to make some lilacs and some roses. Let's see how this comes out. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, let's try. Never be afraid to try, especially when it comes to art. You take your sponge and you see how I use the 3 colors? I'm going to mix the 3 on my sponge. Sponge it off. I might need another plate just to sponge it off, just to test and see if I like the combination. Try it. I think I like it more with just the pinks. So I'm just going to cover it. It's alright. It all works out. Nothing's perfect in nature. God knows. So, big reveal. Not so big because you saw me doing it, but what do you think? I think I gave some new life to this old, outdated platter, and I love the fact that I created something that's beautiful for Easter and that has such a beautiful sentiment. I mean, after all, what a way to renew our life, right? Anyway, I want to thank Shayna and Savannah. I want to thank Shayna and Savannah for hosting this Thrift Flip Thursday challenge. Oh my goodness, that's a tongue twister. Thanks so much for hosting this challenge and for all your wonderful ideas. Please check out their channels and please check out the playlist for more ingenious crafting. And if you enjoyed me, I hope you did, and you watched all the way to the end, I hope you come back and check out some more stuff that I do. So please like, share, subscribe if your heart tells you to, and visit me as I go live 3 nights a week, Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday nights. And Friday nights is a free-for-all. We have friends and crafting. Every night I go live. It's at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't miss out. It's a lot of fun. We have a wonderful collaborative and cooperative community of crafters. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of C's there. Anyway, thanks again to our hostesses for this challenge, and thanks to you for sharing some time with me. And as I say, when I say goodbye, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure, guys. It's a fun life out there. Go grab it, do something, make something. Come on, let's go. Come on, grab some paints. Let's do it. I know I'm annoying, but kind of cute.